In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting without an account. If you've been invited to a Teams meeting but don't want to sign in or create an account first, the good news is that Microsoft makes this pretty simple. I'll walk you through the exact process so you can get into the meeting quickly and avoid confusion along the way. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Teams meeting page. Once the page loads, look for the option labeled Join. This is the starting point for entering the meeting. Go ahead and click on Join to continue. After that, you may see a screen that gives you different ways to access the meeting. On this page, find and click the option called Change. This step is important because it lets you switch from the default sign-in method to a guest access option. If Teams is trying to push you towards signing in, this is the menu that helps you bypass that. Once you click Change, look for the option that says Join without signing in. Select that option. This tells Microsoft Teams that you want to enter the meeting as a guest instead of using a Microsoft account. This is especially useful if you're joining a one-time meeting using a shared computer or just want the fastest route into the call. At this point, Teams will usually take you to the pre-join screen. This is where you can confirm that you're ready to enter the meeting. Before moving on, it's a good idea to quickly check your microphone and camera settings if those controls are visible. That way, you'll know whether other participants will be able to hear or see you when you join. If you prefer more privacy at the start, you can keep your camera off and turn it on later once you're inside the meeting. When you're ready, click Join Now. After that, you'll either enter the meeting right away or be placed in a waiting area until the organizer lets you in. That depends on the meeting settings chosen by the host, so don't worry if you don't enter instantly. And that's all it takes. You go to the meeting page, click Join, select Change, choose Join without signing in, and then click Join Now. If you follow those steps, you should be able to join a Microsoft Teams meeting without needing an account.